got bodies, I'm a tick to the grave. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylah Arnae. Thank you so much for clicking. Nice to meet you. I missed you. This look is super fresh, super dewy, super everyday, super red lip. Like, I don't know the last time I wore a red lip, but it's like every time I do, I'm like, why aren't you wearing it like every day? It's like the perfect look for every day. Super wearable, super, I don't know, you can wear it with a cute top or you can wear it with sweatpants, you know? But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, subscribe first. I mean, keep watching, of course, but subscribe, turn on the notification bell, that way you're always notified when I post a video. And just welcome to the gang, gang, gang. Ow. Okay, so I will see you. So today's video, I kind of know what I want to do. I kind of want to just do like an everyday, fresh makeup tutorial, kind of everyday. I don't know, we'll figure it out. First and foremost, we're going to go straight into the skin. The first thing I'm starting off is with the Versali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. Now, I haven't used this before. A friend actually gave it to me, so I appreciate you, Asa. So I'm going to use this as my primer today. It's a Radiance Mixed Skin Serum. So let's see how this goes. It's liquid glass. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Nice, pretty frosted bottle. I'm just going to take the dropper, do a few pumps of that on my skin. Just gonna, oh, it smells good. It's like a little thicker than I was expecting. Or is my skin just like, why is it doing that? Why is my hair all going crazy? Okay, feels kind of tacky, so let's see how this works as far as foundation. Let me make sure my camera's not being crazy. 1 second. I don't know, I guess it's okay. But we have this on now, so that's nice. I really like this so far. It still look tacky, but it's still giving me like glisten, you know what I mean? I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 345. I'm just gonna put this all over like that. Come on, man, get makeup on. Going in with my Morphe M6 brush, I'm gonna blend this all out. I kind of like to blend it downward, that way it's all in one direction, but you know. This kind of has a scent to it, this foundation. Well, it does have a scent, and it kind of smells like just good. I haven't done my makeup in like 2 weeks, and so it's always like new, getting back into it. I want to try out the new TikTok highlighting hack, where it's like you put it right there, or right there, I think, and right there. So going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer, I'm using the shade 330, and am I doing it right? I don't even know if I did it right. I think I did it. Let's see. I'm just letting this sit a little bit, that way it gets dry, and that way it's like more coverage when you blend it out. So I'm going to start off by going right here. Did it like lift my face up, you guys? What do you think? What are we doing? Did it lift it up? I know one thing, we need to put some color into this face. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. And we're gonna cream contour. And then I'm going in with my Morphe E49 and I'm just gonna blend all of this out. I like doing this around my lips because it helps my lips appear fuller. And I'm just patting it in. And this brush is kind of flat. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of flat. And again, this is the Morphe E49 if I didn't say that already. But what you guys been up to? Have y'all listened to Kehlani's new album? So good. So good. See how that just like makes a big difference? The bronzer, like, it's amazing. So now I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and make sure everything is seamless. Melt it together. I'm not into the whole bronzer on my lip thing. We're gonna put a little bit of cream blush on. And I'm gonna go in with the Beauty For Real blush and glow stick in Coral Crush. I'm gonna take my NYX 04 brush. Oop. And I'm just gonna brush this all in here like that. We go crazy on this side of town. And then I'm gonna put this all over. And I like to put my blush pretty high because it's just like, I don't know. And my face is pretty like, so I feel like this just really rounds my cheeks out. I think round cheeks are so cute. So fresh and dewy. Like that. And I feel like we're like losing our under eye a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little bit like that. And I'm just gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. My skin looks amazing. So good. It looks so good. So freaking good. I'm going to set the face. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Light. I'm just gonna pour some like that. And I'm only gonna set, we wanna keep this as fresh and like dewy looking as possible. So I'm only gonna set my under eye and like forehead, my T-zone area, everywhere where I crease. And I'm not baking. I'm only setting it. I don't want a super like harsh look, you know? Or super like matte. We just want it to be seamless but still like glowy. Forehead. Mouth. I have to set it around my mouth because talk a lot, make a lot of like facial expressions. Okay, I'm just gonna lightly, very extremely lightly set my face. This is the Morphe M462. And I'm just taking what's left over in the top and just gonna like literally like lightly tap. Lightly tap. So we're still looking like dewy, but we're not like, you know, we're still in place. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. blush in bright pink. This is the Morphe E4 brush. And we're literally gonna tap this in. We're not dragging at all. We're not scared of blush, guys, either, just so you know. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. Constantly Bronze Bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze the face with this Real Techniques powder brush. Like that. So I saw Jordan Lipscomb do this. Now I know she got it from, I think, MMM or Mama Mitchell. And she used concealer as like eyeshadow. And so I want to try. We're just gonna go all in. So I'm using the Deep Olive shade by e.l.f. and I'm just going to, like that. Let me zoom you in. I'm already zoomed in. So it's like that, and then you let's just see how this goes. It's like yellow. Let's switch up the concealer shade. So I'm gonna go in with Rich Chocolate, actually. And it's like you connect it to your nose contour. You see? I'm gonna take medium sand in the same concealer and put that like on the lid. Is that like a thing? This is the Morphe 35M palette. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this like caramel shade right there. Like set. Actually, I'm gonna put this like over the lid. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and do that other eye, and then yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit of that dark concealer to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take a little bit of setting powder. This is the Real Techniques. It's rubbed off, but it's a setting powder brush. It's a setting brush. So just take any fluffy thing like that with a little bit of translucent powder, and you're just gonna lightly set all of that. Alright, I feel super fresh and bright. We're not doing falsies today, we're just gonna rack up on mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. No, I don't want to use this. Guys, sorry. I'm actually gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I was like, why is this so dry? See, I literally haven't done my makeup in 2 weeks, and it's like, I don't even know what I'm doing. And I definitely have it all over my lid, but we'll take care of that. When I'm not wearing falsies, like, it's a lot of mascara. Do I want mascara on the lower lash line? Yeah. Would you think? First, I want to spray some e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray. I like all of that. Ooh. Super fresh. So for lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit and Mary Jo K. So the lip liner and the lipstick. Now I'm going in with the red lip. Alright. Alright guys, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Super fresh, super girly, super just a little show. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, Instagram, everything. Just do it all. But yeah, okay. I'm just gonna go edit this and post it.